Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add jump cuts quickly in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut and then here tap a new project and select your talking video or vlog clip. Now, play the video and pause where there's a pause, mistake, or filler words and tap split to cut and delete the unnecessary part by tapping it. Now double tap the timeline and zoom in for precise cuts. Use the two-finger swipe to scroll faster through the clip and cut out the dead air and keep only essential sentences. And here you can also add a quick zooms. Just tap keyframe and zoom in slightly. On the next cut, zoom back out. And this makes the jump cut feel dynamic instead of jarring. And watch through your edit to check pacing. And once it feels snappy and engaging, tap export and choose HD. And that's it. That's how you add a smooth jump cuts in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.